Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting for all you Star Wars fans and LEGO enthusiasts out there. We're going to take a close look at the LEGO Star Wars Jabba's Sail Barge building set, a perfect collectible for any Star Wars fan. Before we dive into the details, make sure to check the link below for the best price on the LEGO Star Wars Jabba's Sail Barge building set. You don't want to miss out on this awesome collectible. Impressive Star Wars ship design. The Jabba's Sail Barge is one of the most iconic ships in the Star Wars universe, and LEGO has done an amazing job bringing it to life. With 450 pieces, this set allows you to recreate the stunning details of Jabba's floating palace on the desert sands of Tatooine. Whether you're a collector or a builder, this set gives you a chance to own a piece of Star Wars history in a fun and creative way. The attention to detail is amazing, with intricate designs that truly bring the barge to life. 11 minifigures included. What really sets this set apart is the 11 minifigures it comes with. You get to add key characters like Jabba the Hutt, Princess Leia, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Lando Calrissian, and many more to your collection. The minifigures are designed to look just like their movie counterparts, complete with realistic features and accessories. Whether you're displaying them or using them for play, they add a whole new level of excitement to the set. Perfect for adults and Star Wars fans. This building kit is part of the LEGO Star Wars collection, designed specifically for adult builders who love a challenge. It's not just for kids, this set is made for the true Star Wars fan who enjoys complex builds and appreciates the level of craftsmanship that goes into creating an iconic set like this. If you're an adult collector or a dedicated fan of the franchise, you're going to love putting this set together and displaying it in your collection. Challenging and fun build. At 450 pieces, this set provides a nice, engaging challenge without being too overwhelming. The build is designed to keep you engaged for hours as you assemble the detailed components of the ship, and it's a satisfying experience once the final piece clicks into place. Whether you're new to LEGO or a seasoned builder, you'll enjoy every step of the process. A unique Star Wars collectible. This set isn't just a toy, it's a collectible. Once completed, the Jabba's Sail Barge makes an incredible display piece that will impress any Star Wars fan who sees it. The ship is perfect for proudly showing off on a shelf, desk, or display case, adding a unique piece to your Star Wars collection. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Any fellow Star Wars fan will be impressed with your building skills and the finished product. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the LEGO Star Wars Jabba's Sail Barge building set is a must-have for adult Star Wars fans and LEGO collectors alike. With its intricate design, detailed minifigures, and the fun building process, this set delivers hours of entertainment and makes a fantastic addition to any Star Wars collection. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding build, this set is definitely worth your time. Make sure to grab the LEGO Star Wars Jabba's Sail Barge building set today at the best price by checking out the link below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and leave a comment letting me know which Star Wars ship you want to see next. I'll catch you in the next one.